Well, certified public accountants, American Institute, AICPA, which also provides technical support and discipline in matters of ethics. Professional practice, whereas some CPAs work as individual practitioners, many form partnerships and professional corporations. More than 40,000 CPA firms are active in the United States, but one half of their total revenues goes to the four biggest firms: Deloitte, Thatcher, Tom Tasu, Ernest and Young, KPMG LLP, and Price Waterhouse Coopers. In addition to prominence in the United States, international operations are important for all four of these companies. CPA services. Virtually all CPA firms, whether large or small, provide auditing, tax, management services. Larger firms earn up to 60% of their revenue from auditing services, and consulting services constitute another growth area. Smaller firms can earn most of their income from tax and management services. Auditing an audit examines companies' AIS to determine whether the financial reports reliably represented its operations. Organization must provide audit reports when applying for loans or selling stocks when going through a major restructuring. Auditors ensure that clients' accounting system follow generally accepted accounting principles GAAP rules and procedures governing the content and the form of financial reports. GAAP is formulated by Financial Accounting Standards Board FASB, and the AICPA should be used to determine whether the firm has control to prevent errors and frauds ultimately. The auditor will certify whether the client's reports comply with GAAP. Sometimes, however, companies ignore GAAP and sometimes auditors fail to disclose violations. In the WorldCom accounting scandal 2002, the telecommunication giant violated the most basic GAAPs by disguising, hiding the operating system, and thereby overstating the profits in its annual reports. Arthur Anderson, a then major accounting firm, was responsible auditor that failed to report in the fraud. Some observers even accused Anderson for taking part in the deception. Anderson's erroneous certification of the WorldCom's financial reports was uncovered by one WorldCom's own internal auditors and led Anderson to eventual downfall. Tax service. Tax services include assistance not only with the tax return preparation but also with the tax planning. A CPA advice can also help a business structure for taxes, staying abreast of tax law changes to simple matters. Some critics chart that tax changes have become a full time vocation among some states and federal legislators who add increasingly complicated laws and technical corrections on taxation each year. Management advisory services. As consultants, according to the firms, provide management advisory services ranging from personal financial planning to planning corporate mergers. Other services include production scheduling, feasibility, computer feasibility studies, as AIS design. Some firms even assist executive recruitment on the staff of the largest CPA firms who are engineers, architects, mathematicians, psychologists, or who are available for consulting, the consultants. Well, the psychologists can be consulted, the referrals can be consulted, and so on. Non certified public accountants. Many accountants don't take CPA examination, others work in the field while getting ready uh, for it or while meeting requirements for sale certification. Many small businesses, individuals, and even larger firms, accounting and financial planning services, accounting for income preparation, payroll accounting, and financial planning services.